Good morning, dear sisters. Welcome my Sulvapadi Arisa channel. Sisters, I prepare God Krishna's Bhog. Bhog means Sirini Bhog. Sisters, my channel is Sulvapadi Arisa channel. Share, subscribe, like please. Sisters, friends to friends. Sisters to sisters. Sisters, God bless. Thank you. Many thanks for watch video. God bless all my sisters. Sisters, see this video. Sisters, my Bhoga Prasada is ready.